Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to draw Kid Goku from Dragon Ball. Start by drawing a circle for the head, followed by guidelines for the face and ears. Then, sketch the eyes, nose, and mouth, giving Goku his classic expression. Next, draw his signature spiky hair, making sure to capture the wild and dynamic style. Add in his small, determined eyebrows above his eyes. Moving on to his body, sketch his neck, shoulders, and torso. Remember, Kid Goku is small and agile, so keep his proportions in mind as you draw. Don't forget to include his iconic orange and blue outfit, complete with the power pole on his back. Add in any additional details like his wristbands and boots. Finish up by adding in some shading to give your drawing depth and dimension. And there you have it, your very own Kid Goku. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. See you next time.